What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get the Fortnite beta for Android. So as you can see, this is how you do it, and I'm currently on Android S7 Edge. What you want to do is go to settings, search up unknown sources, and click on that and enable unknown sources. Once you've done that, go to the link in the description and you'll come up to this page. So as you can see, I did step 1 and 2, and what you want to do is click on Samsung, press install. So it's currently installing now, and while it's installing, I'm actually playing a Fortnite game on my Xbox. So I'm pretty sure it's about to be done installing. Alright, so press on open, and you should be coming up to this Epic Games page, like Epic Games launcher. Okay, shouldn't take much longer. So yeah, here we go. We're on this page right here. Now, what you want to do is click on download. I'm going to try that again. So you want to press allow. Now it should be downloading. Alright guys, the Fortnite beta has currently downloaded for Android. Now what you want to do once it's downloaded is press launch. Should be opening up. Here we are. Press continue. And here we go, guys. It should be downloading, and once you have downloaded that, you will have the Fortnite beta for Android. So see you guys in the next video. If you guys want to check out my other videos, then click right now, and peace.